Me and my helper's out here washing the car. Just got through doing a 2-bucket wash. And now I'm following up with some oil wolf game. Keep going. Hey, I'll get this big stuff. You just get these cracks and crevices around the mirrors and lights for me, okay? So what I've done is we've done a 2-bucket wash with our microfiber sponge. Now I'm following back up with some, this is Wolfgang spray. And I'm using it. I'm going to use it as a medium to protect my paint when I dry it, as a drying aid. So, I'm not worried about skimping on this stuff. This is here to protect my paint. That's good, that's good. Go around the tag and the light for me, okay? And the tag and the exhaust.
Alright. Use soap, and I'm the one videoing.
Explain to what we're doing.
Okay. Showing you soap. Close your eyes. Three, two, one. McGuire's Cold Glass. Car wash shampoo and conditioner. Washes and conditions paint in one step. Rich, luxurious suds. That's it. It's this color. And I think you can find it at Walmart. Maybe.
Then what do we do, Ivee?
Okay.
Explain to them about the hydro shot.
Okay. So then we use this. It's called. Wait, what was it called? The Tiger?
Hydro shot.
This is called the Hydro Shot. Wait, not that. This is. Hold on. That's called the Hydro Shot. And we used it to rinse off the soap. And we used to put water on it. That's what we use that for. It has that long rope that gets the water out of like a bucket, like those 2 buckets over there showed you. And then we dried it off with this blow dryer.